In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to automate email marketing with Zapier. So, what we want to do is go into Zapier and click Create a Zap. So, click Create New Zap. So, there's a ton of things we can do here, and you've really got to be creative. This is just going to automate it. It's not going to do the work for you. So, let's say Shopify. There we go. Shopify event, let's say abandoned cart. Continue. What you would do is you would connect your Shopify up here, etc. Now, action. Let's say you want to email them. So you can do email by Zapier, or there's a ton more things you can do. You can do like Klaviyo, MailChimp, all of those ones. I'll just do this one for now. Send outbound email. So let's say you want to send them a email. So for two, you're going to be able to select their name, subject. You can write a subject in there yourself. Now, for body, you can use HTML. So if you wanted to put some I don't know, HTML in there to make it look better, you could do that. Alternatively, you can just write text in there. Now, something cool you can do in here is you can write, hey, and you could have a space, and then you could find their name inside of here. Hey, name, comma. Then you could go, we saw that you were looking at our, and then there'll be a thing here for product name, but you didn't purchase it. Blah, 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 here's a discount, whatever. So you could do that, and then you could automatically send it to them from here. So every time somebody abandoned a cart, it would send them a personalized email about not checking out. Now, obviously, this can be done much easier in Klaviyo and stuff like that, but there's a lot more flexibility with this. So you could add steps in here. You could create personalized emails via ChatGPT. There's a lot more customization you can do in here. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that helped. Thank you for watching.